Hey, what's up, guys? This is Alexander Bosko back here today. I am going to show you guys how to create your first Siri shortcut today. And this app was introduced with iOS 12. It used to be the Apple workflow, but it has been rebranded to shortcuts. And correct me if I'm wrong on that in the comments below. And the first thing you have to do is you have to download the app if you haven't, and if you did, just go ahead, open up the app. Here we go. I created one shortcut and I downloaded some of the shortcuts. So let's go ahead with the tutorial, shall we? You got two sections here. You got your library that has all of your shortcuts here you have made or downloaded, and to the gallery here, it has the shortcuts it has been made by Apple themselves that you can download. And if you click on edit over here, if you press on one of the shortcuts, you could duplicate it or delete it. Here's what the duplicating does. It makes the same shortcut, and to delete it, press on it till you see that check right there, and delete it just like that. And you can click on the plus sign on the top right of your screen, or you can press create shortcut now. Okay. And the first thing I am going to do for this example is to send message. Alright, click on send message. Let's get this to mom. Alright, I'm going to tell her that I am heading to work. I will be back tonight at 6 p.m. Period. Okay. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to put in Wi-Fi and turn it off. Next, volume. To make sure my phone is silent at work, make sure it's silent. Next thing, Bluetooth. If you have an Apple Watch, just turn it off so the notifications doesn't distract you at work. Also turn the brightness down to save battery if needed too. And also low power mode if you are running out of power, like at 20% or so, leave that on. This is just my example, guys, and these are the different apps you can use with shortcuts. And let's give it a test. Here we go. I am going to go ahead and send a message for this example. And it worked, guys. And there's the share button right there and the toggles. That is where the settings are. Okay, let's go over with the settings. So you can name it and change the icon, and you could add to Siri and also share in widget. Let's name it first. Let's name this work for right now. Change the icon. After you chose your glyph, then choose the color for the icon. Anything you want. I'm gonna pick this color. Let's go back. Add to Siri. Here we go. And after you get done with your phrase, I am going to show you guys how to add it to your home screen. And you do it like you add a bookmark for any website you go to. That works the same way as this. So let's click on the share button and add to home screen. You could rename it if you want. Now click on add and it's right there. And let's go back to the app and show in a share sheet. And I'm not sure about that because I haven't used that feature yet. And you could share the shortcut with your friends as well. And you could import questions if you want. And now click on done. And here we go. That's how you create your first Siri shortcut. And I hope this video did help you guys out. And if it did, please leave this video a like, a comment, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. And more Adventure Time plush videos. And more gaming and more unboxings and reviews. And please comment and rate this video if you are new here, and please turn on the upload post notifications. And if you guys do have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And now this will be Alexander Bosko signing off, guys, and peace out.